not quite in line with the window. So you have to wind up the spring. As I recall, it sits like that, so you have to engage the little button in there. And then, see if I can make it stay where it usually rides. And then twist this around. So you see it's kind of preloaded once you get it engaged. Then preload this around. Of course, the whole time you're fighting with this little guy, which has to sit there. So you're looking in that hole, trying to find the little gold anodized thing, get that engaged, and then load it up, install it like that. That's the clutch actuator. This is either shift or select, I forget which one. It's similar. There's the piece. That's where it rides, right there. And it depends on where this actuator is parked, whether you have to preload it or not. But again, you just get the little button in that slot, get it wound around, and put your screws in. And the last one, those are two accessible from the bottom. From the top, well, there it is. Okay. Sorry, this one sits on top. You can't access it without pulling the GSA out. It's similarly, a little groove goes in there. So you gotta find that in the hole and make sure it's in the slot, and then wind it up, put the screws in.